Coolify versus Dokku, which is the best self-hosted deployment platform. If you're looking for a self-hosted deployment platform, two big names stand out, Coolify and Dokku. But which one is the best for your projects? Let's break it down. Coolify is a modern open source alternative to Heroku, allowing you to deploy applications easily on your own server. It supports Docker, databases, and static sites, all with a user-friendly interface. If you want simple self-hosting without complex setups, Coolify is a great choice. On the other hand, Dokku is often called a mini Heroku and runs on a single server. It's powerful for developers comfortable with the command line, offering Git-based deployments and plugin support. However, it requires manual setup and can have a steeper learning curve. So which one is better? Coolify is ideal for easy GUI-based deployment, while Dokku gives you more control and flexibility. Your choice depends on whether you prefer simplicity or customization for the work you need. So which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments below, and thanks for watching.